I love cooking lamb rack, but I get so frustrated when the crust falls off when I cut it. So by stuffing it with a tunnel style stuffing, you don't have that problem, but you have the beautiful flavour of the stuffing infusing through the meat as well. This is such a beautiful looking dish. Instead of a crust, I'm making a filling inside the lamb meat itself. So first make your stuffing. We're using cranberries and cashew nuts, some Moroccan seasoning and some pomegranate molasses, and the key spice is some fennel seeds, which gives that lovely licorice taste. Process it in a food processor until it comes together. Now create a tunnel inside your lamb rack. Make a cut on each end with the knife and use your fingers to pull apart. Now push the stuffing into the hole inside the lamb rack itself. This is so much better than a crust on the outside. It's not going to break off when you cut it. Season on the outside with some salt and pepper or some Moroccan seasoning as I have here, and pop it into a tray that you've preheated in the oven. If you're using a meat thermometer, set it to about 56 degrees or 57 degrees, depending on how well you like it done. It'll probably only take about 14 minutes to cook. Once it's done, you can serve it as it is or cut it into cutlets.